A very good morning to all of you. Sairam. Hope you all are fine and safe at your places. Good in health. So, once again, we are back here, children. So, today we are going to start with English grammar. So, before starting that, I hope your exams were very interesting for you all. I hope you all will be getting good marks, right? Yes. So, same way you have to start preparing for your second term. Okay. So, whatever is provided you, please note down that. And what you have to do, children, if your last notebook is filled, so make new notebook. Otherwise, if pages are there, you can fold like the paper you are doing in school and write their second term or essay 2, and from there also you can start. It is your choice, you want to make new notebook or not. Okay, so it depend on you. So if you are continuing the same notebook, just fold the papers and start writing. Just make like what you are making, like cat or aeroplane shape, like folding the two sides and write there essay 2, right? So it is up to you whether you want to make new notebook or you want to do in the same. Okay, so today we are here for doing English grammar. We will continue today chapter number 6, that is adverbs. Okay, chapter number 6, that is adverbs. So first of all we will look into the definition of adverbs. What is the definition of adverb? See, what is the definition? Let's see first. Adverbs are the words that modifies a verb. Okay, adverbs are the words that modifies or describes, or you can say modifies verbs, an adjective or another adverb. Or you can say from here also definition: an adverb describes or give more information about a verb in adjective or any other adverb, right? So everybody know what are adjective, what is verb. Okay, verb, what is verb? Verb is a state of being, doing something. Okay, like reading, walking, jumping, hitting, pushing, these are the verb. And what is adjective? Which describes noun and pronoun both. Okay, yes. So same way, adverbs which describes verb and adjectives. Okay, like we have he drove slowly. How he have drove? He have drove slowly. Okay, so next we have an adjective. He drove a dash fast car. He drove a very fast car. Okay, so fast is here adjective and very is here adverb. Okay, so same way it means adverbs are the words that describes a verb and adjective. So we have here adverbs are words we use to describe verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. So we can have like how, when, where, to what extent. Okay, right. How it has been done, when it has been done, where it has been done. Just a question mark to the question. Okay, so these are the form of the adverb. You can remember that if this such type of question comes, it means it is related to the adverb. Like we can see how the action has been done or how the action happens, like quickly, peacefully, loudly, slowly, heavily. Same way what, like this ly also represent the form of the adverb, like loudly, slowly, horribly, shamefully, happily. These are the just form, like ly is mostly the form of the ly. If ly is written at the back, it means it is a adverb. So how the action has happens, how an action happens? Quickly, peacefully, loudly. And when it is happen, when or how often something happens, when it is happen now, then what happened, then tomorrow, when it is happen, tomorrow it is happen, yesterday it is happen, always it is happen. So it is when it is happen, regularly it is happen, early it is happen. Okay, so these are the form of the adverb, that when it is happen, what is happen, how is happen. So we have the types of adverb which we are going to discuss today. We have adverb of manner, adverb of time, and adverb of place. So first one we have adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, and adverbs of place, right? So let's discuss for one by one all of these. First we have types of adverbs. Okay, first one we have the type is adverb of time. We have here first one, that is adverb of time. It means when it is happen. Okay, like when, how, it is given to you. So when it is happen, adverbs is already, it is already happened, it is happened before, ago, 6 years ago, or you can say it is happened yesterday, it is never happened to me, soon, lately. So these are the adverbs form of time. Okay, if such types of words come in any sentence, it means these are adverbs of time, because it is indicating the time. It means when it is happened, yesterday it is happened, when this happened to you, regularly it happens to me, regularly, today, tomorrow, yesterday. Okay, these are adverbs of time. We have the examples here, like I have heard this before. It means this is the time he has heard before also. I have not seen him since. I haven't spoken to her yet. Abhi tak. It means this is the time it is showing that abhi tak he has not talked to him. Okay. So next we have she will be here soon. It means soon is here. What? Soon is here. She will meet her soon. So soon is there. The time it is indicating that I will meet him very soon. Okay. So these are the form, you can say these are the adverbs related to the adverbs of time. Okay. Now we have adverbs of manner. So we have the adverbs which add meaning to the verb and tell us how an action occurs. It means how it has been done. Loudly, slowly, horribly, happily, sadly. So these are the adverb of manner. Okay, which indicates the action of verb, how it has been done. So it indicates how the manner, how the action has been done, and the time indicates when it is happened, right? So it means how you have eaten your breakfast. I have eaten very happily my breakfast. How did you enjoy the day? I enjoyed very happily today with my parents. So these are the adverbs of manner. Okay, so if what is the definition? The adverbs which add meaning to the verb and tell us how an action occurs is called an adverb of manner. Okay, so we have here we have this. Meena looks miserable. How she looks? She looks miserable. Hari speaks softly. Our team played well. How the team played? They played well. In the above sentences, the circle words look, speaks, played are the form of the verbs, and the underlined words like miserable, softly, well, these are what? These are adverbs, right? How Hari has speaks? He speaks very softly. Softly is the how he speaks. It means he is the action, how the action has been done by Hari. It is done very softly. So they are called, because they add meaning to the verbs. These adverbs are called adverbs of manner because they tell how an action occurs. So here we ask, how does Meena look? Meena looks miserable. How does she look? She looks miserable, sad. How does Hari speak? He speaks softly. Okay, right? So the adverb of manner shows us how it has been done. Now we come to the adverbs of time. That is, now we have only discussed. So let us discuss once again. It tells us about when an action occurs. Okay, when an action occurs. So example we have, if it is occurred today, yesterday, tomorrow, or regularly. Okay, so this is it is representing the adverb of time. It means when the action has been done. So it is done regularly, early, yesterday. So these are the later, daily, later. These are the adverbs of time. Okay, so we have here, Nitin comes to school regularly. How Nitin is coming to the school? It is coming regularly. It means it is showing the when. When it is coming every day, regularly. The match began very early. The match began very early. I bought a sari yesterday. When did she bought? She bought yesterday. Here the underlined words regularly, early, yesterday are adverbs. They say something about the verbs comes, began and bought. They are called as adverbs of time because they tell us what they are telling us, when the action has been done or when the action occurs. Okay, when an action occurs. When we ask the question 1, when does Nitin come to school? Nitin come to school regularly. So the words like regularly, early, yesterday, these are adverbs of time. Now we have adverbs of place. It tells us about where the action occurs. It means it is representing about a place. It describes where the something happens, where it is happened. Like we have here it is happened, the fighting of both of them were here, anywhere, everywhere. These are the adverb of place. Okay, which represent the place or the action where it has been happened or something happens where. I will stay here with all my friends. I couldn't find my car keys anywhere. The children had scattered their toys everywhere. Here, the underlined words like here, anywhere, everywhere are adjectives. Adverbs that add to the meaning of the verb, like stay, find, scattered. These are giving meaning to these words like stay, find, scattered in the above sentences. They are called as adverbs of place because they tell where an action occurs and when we ask the questions. Okay, it means simply tells us the where the action happens or where the something is going to happen or something has happens. So like where will I stay? I will stay here with my friends, right? With all my friends. So simply we can say adverbs of place. So where, it indicates the where, and adverb of time indicates when, and adverb of manner indicates how. Okay, yes. So moving to the next, it is given here, adverbs add meaning to the verbs, adjectives or other adverbs. Okay, we have example, the child jumped carefully. How the child jumped? He jumped very carefully. Here the word carefully is an adverb. How? See, if I make a question of this question provided to you in the question form, how the child has jumped, it means it is the adverb of manner. Simply you can say. So carefully is an adverb because it is indicating how the child has jumped, so it is adverb of manner, and carefully it is indicating ly at the last, so it is an adverb. It adds meaning to the verb jumped, right? Yes. Raj is very clever. Here the word very adds meaning to the adjective clever. Clever is here adjective because it is representing the quality of the Raj. And while adding very adds, how is the Raj? Raj is very clever. So it is very adds meaning to the adjective, that is clever. Priya paints very well. How she paints? She paints very well. Here the word very adds meaning to the adverb well. Now moving to an activity. Let's do one small activity. Pick out the adverbs and state its kind. Okay? Pick out the adverbs and state its kind. First we have is Ram exercises daily. Ram exercises daily. Okay? When does the Ram exercises? Or when do the Ram exercise? When does the Ram exercises? Ram exercises daily. So it is coming when here. So it means daily is here what? Daily is here. What is daily here? Daily is a adverb of. Oh, so daily is a adverb, right? Yes or no? Because it is representing that he does daily. And state its kind. Which kind of adverb it is? Because it is doing exercise daily, regularly on time. So it is adverb of time because it is indicating that Ram do exercises daily. It is showing that daily, tomorrow, yesterday, day before yesterday, regularly. So it is adverb of time. You were, next we have, you were called there. You were called there. It means he has been called where? Where he has been called? He has been called there. You were called there. So it is putting a question where I have been called. You have been called there. Or where I was called, you were called there. So it is showing the place. So what is there here? There is here a adverb, right? Because it is coming with the question form that where I have been called. Okay, so you were called there. So it is showing us the where form. So it is a adverb of place. It is showing the place, right? You have been called there. Where I was called, you were called there. So there is a place, adverb of place. We have next one. He walked fast. He walked fast. So how he is walking? Yes, frame the question. Make question of this question given to you. How he walked? He walked fast. So I have already told you when, where, how come. It means it is the adverb of manner. So fast is here what? Fast is here adverb. And how he walked? He walked very fast. He walked fast. So how it is coming? So it will be adverb of manner. Adverbs of manner. Hari speaks softly, right? Hari speaks softly. So softly is adverbs. Softly is adverbs and state its kind. It is adverb of manner. Adverbs of manner, right? So what you all have to do, you have to learn it again. Okay, so let's discuss once again. Where adverb of manner come, where you will have the sentences like words like cheerfully, efficiently, painfully, secretly, quietly, carefully. How he do the work? He do very carefully, right? How he walk very slowly. Okay, slowly, badly, closely, easily, well, fast, quickly, etc. So adverb of manner always have a question like how. Okay, from how it will start. Adverb of time, we have now. It will represent you when it is happened to you. So now, yesterday, soon, later, tomorrow, yet, already, tonight, today, then, last. Okay, month or year, last month or last year. Okay, now we have adverb of place. It means for place it is where, right? Where you have been called. I was called there. Of, above, abroad, far, on, away, back, here, out, outside, backwards, behind, in, below, down, indoors, downstairs, etc. These are adverbs of place. It is showing where, right? So what you all have to do, you have to learn it again from your book exercises. Everything is given to you. You have to just go through it. It is very easy chapter. Only 3 things you have to learn. What is adverb? 3 types of adverb. That is adverb of manner, in which question will be like, you if question is given to you and you will make a question of that question, it will always start from how. Second, we have adverb of time, where it is happen. When it is happen. So it will represent time. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, day before yesterday, last month, since, for. Okay. So third one, we have adverb of place. It means where it is happen. It will indicate the place for it. So what you all have to do, you all have to go through the chapter very thoroughly, read the chapter twice, go through the exercise whatever you can do, and we will meet in our next class. So take care of your good health, take care of your parents, and Sairam, we will meet very soon. Okay.